fifth grade bass players. We're moving on in our Sound Innovations book. We're on number 59, which is working on cut time. So instead of normally having our 4/4, it's going to have our 2/2, which means there's 2 beats in the measure, but instead of the quarter note getting the count, the half note gets the count. So basically, a half note now equals a quarter note. A quarter note now equals an eighth note, and the eighth notes now equals 16th notes. So everything's just a little bit faster. So let's try it. Here we go, number 59, working on cut time.
To count in cut time.
And let's apply this to a song. So let's play number 60, the Old Brass Wagon. It's a cool folk song. Here we go. Oh, and we will take the repeat.
The Old Brass Wagon.
And then one more, let's do Bella Boca Polka, which is, again, working on our cut time, and another fun dance tune. Here we go, number 61.
Bella Boca Polka.
Makes you want to get up and dance, right? All right, I hope you had fun playing these songs in cut time, and I'll see you later. Bye, bass players.